Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Destiny 2 on your PlayStation 5. We'll cover everything from the initial download to understanding the game's vast universe. You'll learn about the free-to-play content, how to set up your account, and what makes the PlayStation 5 experience so immersive. Get ready to dive into a world of epic adventures and challenging missions with your Guardian. Getting started is straightforward. First, navigate to the PlayStation Store on your console and search for Destiny 2. Once located, initiate the download. It's a substantial game, requiring over 100 gigabytes of storage. While it downloads, you can prepare your Bungie account. You'll either link an existing one or create a new account, which is essential for cross-save and progression tracking across platforms. Destiny 2 offers a rich variety of game modes. You can embark on epic story campaigns, team up for 3-player strikes, or explore planets for public events. The base game provides many hours of free content, while expansions unlock additional narratives, raids, and gear. Whether you prefer cooperative player versus environment challenges or intense 6 versus 6 player versus player combat, there's always something exciting to do. Playing Destiny 2 on PlayStation 5 truly elevates the experience. You'll enjoy crisp 4K resolution and a smooth 60 frames per second, making combat and exploration incredibly fluid. The console's ultra-fast solid-state drive drastically reduces loading screens, getting you into the action much quicker. Furthermore, the DualSense controller's haptic feedback and adaptive triggers add a new layer of immersion, bringing the game's world to your fingertips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.